Good morning, Warren Peacock here. We can see that the Canadian dollar's gained a couple points overall overnight, mostly on the hourly chart there. It's up 4 points. So a little bit of short-term strength on the CAD. The daily chart hasn't changed for some time. It's still looking weak overall. The British pound was the biggest loser, down 3 points overall, mostly on the hourly chart. Going to keep an eye on the pound and the Canadian dollar. I think the CAD will probably is more likely to give us shorts than longs, and the pound is at the moment looking more likely to give us longs over shorts. So we'll just keep an eye on those two. The US dollar is still the strongest overall, so we have the US dollar strongest and we have the Australian dollar weakest. Daily charts still the same. Euro US dollar is the short, but I think that trend is getting quite mature. The lower breakouts are not working as well as they used to. There's no real follow through momentum. My feeling is that we should see either some consolidation where the market can settle down, or a nice retracement on this one where we can short it a bit higher up. So I'm not too excited on the euro dollar at this moment. The 4 hourly charts shows the Swiss franc, Japanese yen, along with the US dollar as the strongest, with the Australian dollar weakest. The hourly shows the CAD strongest and the Aussie dollar weakest. So Australian dollar weakness seems to be pushing through. We'll have a look at some of those charts. The Canadian dollar, a little bit of strength. We'll have to see how that works out as well. When we go to the charts and we have a look here at the Australian dollar, US dollar, it's on that support level now. I would prefer to see it, pulling back, giving us a bit of a higher price, a better price to short it at, or maybe going into consolidation for a few weeks before breaking that lower level. If it does break on the dailies, I don't know if I'd be too excited about it. I might take a small trade on it. We'll just have to see how it pans out. The Euro US dollar we've spoken about quite often, and yeah, the chart just doesn't seem to have momentum at the moment. The Yeah, it could break below that support level, so we'll just have to see how it works. I would prefer now to see an A, B, C maybe at resistance or even higher up at the 89, and then take it from there. So at this moment, Euro US dollar not really of interest to me. The Australian dollar Swiss franc also on the 4 hourly chart. I'm still short on this. I just feel that the US dollar is probably overbought. Needs to consolidate or maybe go sideways. We'll just have to see. So I'm looking at alternatives to the euro and the US dollar. The Australian dollar Swiss franc is the one that I'm in currently, and that chart continues to move lower. If we zoom out a little bit, we can see that red line would be target one. We'll see whether it gets there. The last one to have a look at is the Australian dollar CAD. The hourly chart doesn't really give us a good support level. That did break yesterday. At the moment, no real support, just two candles giving us a low over there. If we go to bigger time frames and we zoom out a little bit, you see there's still a bit of space on this one. So we could see the Australian dollar weakness pushing through with the short-term CAD strength. We might get a move lower. Today, this is the daily chart now, so today it would have to close below that support level to get me interested. And then I would like on the shorter time frames to see a retracement before climbing in short. The hourly might give it to us by finding some resistance at that red support line. Thank you very much. We'll chat again tomorrow.